What's up guys, HOTSHOTFRONTIER back with another video. Welcome back to the Lightbox, and today we have a Ghost from the Past opening. Finally, this is able to arrive. So I actually ordered some individual boxes from GameStop. They're still kind of being delayed right now. A few weeks back I was like, you know what, let me just order a case just to be sure, because I know it's probably going to be delayed, and here we are today. So we have our display, and our display comes with, I believe, 5 individual boxes that have 3 packs in them of 5 cards each. So that should be 15 packs in total. We're going to start opening this up right now, and we're hoping that we get a ghost rare. There we go. I can already tell after I get this, open this up, and I open up the GameStop boxes that I pre-ordered. It's going to be tough trying to find more of this set. So here we go. This is our box. All the boxes have the same art on them, but the packs are different. Out of this, I would like a Dark Condition Ghost Rare. But I do want the BLS link, just because I've been waiting for a reprint of that, and for them to give it a ghost rare is cool, but it's just not like, it's not budget competitive. Like, you know, it's a budget player. It's not something a budget player can't afford. So looks like this is the only way we're gonna be able to pull it. So let's see what happens. But I'm definitely admiring this artwork here. Back looks very nice. We're gonna open it. There we go. Tear that off. Alright. Ghost from the Past. Open it up. Look at that beautiful artwork. Dark Condition Firewall Dragon. Really cool, and we have 3 packs. So let me get these packs out. I'm not gonna lie, these kind of look crumbled, so there's a ghost rare in here. It's gonna be unfortunate, but alright, those are 3 packs right there. Let's get to opening. So right here we have a Metaphors Counter, Time Thief, Retrograde, definitely a foil upgrade, Sunvine Shrine, very cool. I'm building Sunvines for a friend, and I have extras. I'm going to build one for myself. Galaxy Eyes Cipher Blade Dragon. We got a Hell Shaddoll Hollow. This is a really cool card. I know this is one of the new Shaddoll monsters. Definitely sleeving that up. Alright, let's get into our second pack here. Starting off with a Galaxy Eye Cipher Blade Dragon. We have a Metaphos Mithrilium, Artifact Durandal, Mist Valley Baby Rock, and Starry Night Ceremony. I don't know too much about the Starry Night, so I'm hoping it's going to be a good archetype. We have our last pack here of our first box. Alright, right here we have Time Thief Flyback. We have a Hyozan Ryu. Very random card to get reprinted, but hey, I'm not against it. We have a Cause Mojo. Ooh, Sunseed Genius Loki. And we have a Thurstalos, the Mega Monarch. This was getting very expensive, so that's good that has a reprint. And this Sunvine card. Like, I don't know, it's just so cool, even as a normal monster. It's good to see that normal monsters are still being used in today's meta. Or, I guess, today's card game. So we're going to sleeve up our guy right here. And we're gonna get right into our next box. Into our second box. So you can just rip this off. Sorry for a dark condition. Alright, we have a Metamorphose combination. Ojama Country. Really cool card. This card was going up because of Ojama hype. We have a Madolche Fresh Sistart. We have a Mass Change 2. And a Time Thief Adjuster. I think this is like a $7-8 card. I might start to rebuild Time Thieves actually, so that's a really cool card. Put that right here. Getting on to our 5th pack. We have a Heretic Dragon of Tefnut. Time Thief Regulator, really cool foil upgrade. Photon Thrasher. We have another Metamorphose Methurium. And we have a Dragoonity Armagram. So a lot of people are thinking that because the Dragoonity was a structure deck in the OCG, you know, we would get it as a structure deck. But nope, just like the Infernoble Knights getting imported to the TCG, they were put in a set. Alright, here we go. We have a Splash Mage, Metamorphose Silvered, Sunseed Shadow, really cool Sunvine card. We have a Dragoonity Draft, and another Thestalos, the Mega Monarch. Alright, let's go on to the next box. 3rd box. Kind of break this little seal here. There we go. Actually, using the force, it'll just kind of break. Alright, next box. Alright, here we go. Sounds like a little hair. Ooh, we have a Gigantus. Really cool, ultra rare foil upgrade. We have a Gear Town. Mind Mole. Ooh, we got an Emergency Teleport. Very nice. And we have a Dragoonity Whirlwind. Definitely gonna seal up that Emergency Teleport. And E-Telly. If E-Telly ever goes back to maybe 2 or 3, this will be my second one now. Technically, I just need one more. We are starting off with a Heretic Seal of Banishment, Arcbrave Dragon, Metamorphose or Recalce. Ooh, Phantom Knight's Fogblade, and a Starry Night Ceremony. Fogblade is a very cool trap card. And another reprint. If you guys do not have your Fogblades, you should get them before they go back up. And for our final pack of this box, so I have 2 more boxes. Dark Requiem XYZ Dragon, I did not have this, very cool. Cosmo, Tin Town, that used to be expensive. Time Thief Hack, Erratic Sun Dragon, Overlord of Heliopolis, and a Sunvine Thrasher, really cool. I think this is a 3-up in the deck. Really cool card. Alright guys, we have 2 more boxes. open up. Can we get a ghost rare? There we go. Six more packs left. What can we get? We have an Evil Thorn, Resonator Call, Salamangreat, Foul, Terra Trishula. This one I don't really understand. I mean, it was already in a foil, so. And we have Sporadic Seal of Creation. Here we go, next pack. That's why I love Yu-Gi-Oh! Like, packs are so easy to open. Sporadic Seal from the Ashes. We have a Seiryu, very cool. And we have a rare Metaphos Fish Mugir, Artifact Durandal, and we have a Raid Raptor Tribute Lanius, a very expensive card. Before we're gonna sleeve this up. And final pack for our second to last box. Time Thief Chrono Coder, Sunseed Genius Loki, Sunvine Gardna. Ooh, another really cool card for Sunvines. We have a Level Vol Dragon and a Shooting Star Dragon TGEX, one of the imports. Alright guys, last box. Can we get that ghost rare? I'll be very careful how I take this out of the box. Three packs. We have two fire roll packs, so we gotta save the middle for last. Let's see what we pull. Sporadic Seal of Reflection, Resonator Engine, Sporadic Seal of Convocation. We have Madolche, Pentaxessor, and Draguni Glow. Put that in the sleeve. And we're going to go on to our second to last pack. Starting off with the Metaphos, Volmflame, Recover, Molten Conduction Field, Fairytale Raka, and Sun Avalon, Dry Normal. This is their Link 3. Really cool. Alright, last pack magic. Just kind of slight. We have a Sunvine Healer, another good card. Time Thief Startup, Sunseed Twin, Sun Avalon Bloom. I'm not gonna look, let me see. Alright, what could this be? Oh, it's a Meteor Black Comet Dragon. This card was also very expensive back in the day for this reprint, so really cool. We have a lot of cards there. I'm not gonna go over everything, but just from here, I'm gonna go over our pulls. There's some really good cards for this case. No evenly match, which is fine. I already have my evenly matches, but I'm happy I was able to score some of the new cards for this set. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big like. Comment down below what your favorite card is from this opening, and after all that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bells so you're updated when I make more videos like this. Ghosts from the Past videos for Yu-Gi-Oh, just more Pokemon videos in general. But yeah, all I gotta say for now, and I'll see you guys in the next